Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. We're in a different area today. Today's video is kindly sponsored by HelloFresh. If you don't know what HelloFresh is, I will have a link down below in the description box so you can check them out. They have kindly provided us with a promo code for your first month over at HelloFresh. They're offering us $80 off your first month over at HelloFresh with the promo code Laura at 80. So I'll have it here, and then I'll also have it down below in the description box so you can check it all out, and so you can take full advantage of that promo code because that is such a good deal. So today's video, we are going to be unboxing the goodies that are inside. We're going to be preparing some of the food, and I'm also going to be doing a review towards the end of the video. So I am super excited. This is a great idea, especially for us busy moms. And if you work full-time like I do, this is gonna change our lives. I can already feel it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the box and see what it's all about. All right, so let me show you the different recipes that, oh my God, I'm so excited. Mother's Day box. Yes, that is so awesome. These are gonna be our recipes. The balsamic fig chicken. Ooh, I'm excited to try this. So it looks like in this one, we're gonna get some sweet potatoes. Oh my God, I'm excited. Look at this, you guys. Southwestern beef tacos. Oh my goodness, it's like they know I'm Mexican. And then the cranberry apple pork chops. That looks incredible. Does this not look incredible? And let me show you the box, like what it looks like inside. Open. So we've got our 3 meals. This is the Southwestern beef tacos. We've got the balsamic fig chicken and the cranberry apple pork chops. We've got the ground beef. Make sure you can see it, the ground beef. And then we've got the boneless, skinless chicken breast and the boneless pork chops. So let's go ahead and open these up. Let's open cranberry apple pork chops. Ooh, look at this, you guys. So you've got the fresh farm grown parsley. Oh my God, you gotta look inside. It's awesome. Look at that. You got your like potatoes, your carrots, dried cranberries, fall harvest spice blend. You've got an apple, you've got an onion, and they're beautiful. Look at this onion. That is a beautiful onion. And then a ton of little potatoes. This is cinnamon ground, 1 teaspoon. So this is awesome, you guys. You don't have to meal plan. Let me put this over here. Let me show you the Southwestern beef tacos. Farm fresh grown cilantro. Comes with a beautiful onion. Southwest spice blend. Oh yes, you guys know I need my little pepper. Got a red pepper. Some tortillas. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Some pepper jack, a lime, some sour cream, oh, this is gonna be amazing, you guys. I cannot wait. I feel like I'm gonna start with the Southwestern beef tacos, and I feel like that's gonna be my favorite. Okay, so this one has got, is that a zucchini? Some sweet potatoes, a little onion. What this is, doesn't have a name. We've got some, just says chicken on it. This is a like fig, it looks like a fig jelly type thing. And the balsamic vinegar in like a tiny little bottle. That is so precious. So that's what was in the box, and let me just say I am impressed, you guys. So I'm excited. The sweet potatoes and all. I'm excited for this one too. I actually really love figs. And you guys know I have a whole story about figs on my channel. They remind me of my grandmother. So the fact that I got something in here that's fig related is just, I feel like she is blessing me from above. Look at how pretty it looks in the bag. All the different ingredients. Oh my goodness. Yes, please. We're gonna start with the Southwestern beef tacos. Just for today, but I'm so excited and I really like how they came packaged. All right, let's take a look at the recipe here. So it gives you kind of step by step. So step 1, we're gonna wash and dry all produce. Step 2, we're gonna make crema. Step 3, marinate jalapeno. Step 4, cook veggies. Step 5, cook beef. And step 6, finish and serve. Alright, you guys, so I've got my onion, I've got my red pepper, my lime, my green pepper, and then I'm gonna, it looks like they have a tiny little bit of cilantro. So I'm going to kind of rinse it off a little bit. And I'm only gonna add a little bit. Because I feel like cilantro is delicious, but it's a little overpowering. I like to kind of cut it a little bit, just so it's not so big. Looks like I need to make crema now. And I'm going to toss all my veggies to cook with a little bit of oil. So I'm also going to be doing that. Alright, so we are going to make our crema. So this is the sour cream here that comes in the package. I always say to not use your teeth for opening stuff. I always do it. A squeeze of lime juice. I'm gonna make some more crema. So I just got done making the tacos, and let me just say it was super easy to follow the directions, and it was just super simple. So let me just take a moment to thank HelloFresh. Like, what a brilliant idea. This is perfect for us busy women. This is just right up my alley. It's perfect. So I'm going to be doing the taste test now. Here are my tacos, and they look super delicious. I cannot wait to jump into it and see what it tastes like. Add my lime. My mouth is watering, you guys. So let's bite into it, shall we? Let's see. You guys, it's literally so freaking good. Like, I want to take another bite. I am super impressed. This is freaking phenomenal. I'm gonna rate this like a 10 out of 10. I just want to thank HelloFresh for collaborating with me on this video. I literally had so much fun cooking up this meal. I feel like a chef. So anyway, I will of course have all the information listed in my description box, so go ahead and check them out. Feel free to use the coupon code. That is such an amazing deal. $80 off your first month over at HelloFresh using my code LauraBelleza80. So thank you again for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you would like me to do more cooking videos with you, and we can come back to my kitchen. I hope you had fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!